Welcome back to this channel. In this video, learn to format. It means font text, font group. So start. First of all, click the search bar and type the word pad. Wordpad. Like and click. Wordpad is interface. This interface is Wordpad. Okay. First of all, file tab click about one, select and copy. Select and copy and paste. Okay and paste. Okay, select, increase size. So start. Last video in this learn to copy, cut, paste, and in this video font group learn. Okay, click first of all font smile family. Font family, like select and change your writing. Okay, so click any font. Wow, next font. So next font, my favorite font is this. Look at see. Wow. Then Control A, mean all select. Click the bold option. Bold option means font. This is font. Okay, and select all and bold. Unbold like this and bold like this. Okay, I hope you understand in the bold and bold. Next option is italic. Click and like cursive writing. Okay, show in a cursive writing, like underline. Underline means particular text you underline, like read, or even read is you. Click underline. Next option is stick through. Stick through means a wrong word is a cut. Okay, all select, then click the stick through. So look at see, all word is wrong, but I word wrong as a class. Okay, so select all and unbold, click stick through and click. Select the class, mean class like wrong word. Okay, so click and click the stick through. Look at see, class is wrong word. Okay, and then any word you change and effective change, text change. Okay, next option is subscript and super subscript. Subscript like enter down and enter button. Okay, I want this text, this letter. Select and a small size. So click the subscript. So like Okay, and uh, I want select to A, letter A, and super subscript. Look at C. Okay, and next option is size, increase size, decrease size. I hope you understand in this video. Click the 48 size. Maximum for size is 72. Okay, I hope you understand. And or a maximum size 72, but I'm increase size as 72 above mean plus. So how? And click increase font capital A, okay, and small a decrease font like this, okay, and color, text color, click like red, and background color like yellow. I hope you understand in this video. I want to all select and click color background. So how? Then select, click background color, mean like red. Okay, you understand? So thanks for watching this video. Next video is the paragraph topic. Okay, thank you very much.